Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings, and now let's slide a little bit down to the general settings. As you can see here we have the add watermark option, so by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works here. And for now let me keep this turned on, and let's go back to the camera to take a picture. Now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this icon we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture. As you can see here in the left corner at the bottom we have the HUAWEI watermark with P40 Lite and 5G and auto intelligent quad camera. So this is how it looks like. And of course, when you don't need this, we have to go back to the camera and to the settings in the right corner, slide again to the general settings, tap on this option, and for now this is turned off, so when we take another picture, the watermark should be not visible at it now. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.